Hey there, how we all doing today? Today we are taking a look at an ORIS, and this ORIS box is kind of unique. It's pretty special. It comes with a special leather case that's reflective of the band, and this is the ORIS CERVO Volante. And here, this describes about the watch. It's inspired by the Alpine colors, and its leather strap is produced from sustainably sourced Swiss wild deer. So pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. And again, this little leather pouch here is pretty neat. Those big boxes you get with the watches. When do you really use them? When you're traveling or something, a pouch like this is pretty useful. And look at how this guy, the leather, kind of ropes around here. That's a neat feature. Look at the texture. This is deer leather, and it's a real interesting story here how ORIS is working with them. It's a sustainable leather, and it's deer leather, and they're using the last two tanneries in Switzerland to make them up. So it's pretty cool, and they're 100% vegetable tanning processes. And here you got a little card holder. I got the warranty card right in there, and you can see the different textures of the leather. It's not totally smooth, but it's got these natural imperfections, which I think really add to the craftsmanship and the uniqueness of each piece. So this watch, let's take a look at it. Pull this guy out here, and there we go. The same leather, but the one of the band here is not as heavily, texturized as the pouch that holds it. But the colors on that blue are just stunning. There you got the ORIS logo on the crown, and the red rotor that ORIS, of course, is well known for. And take a look at that leather band. Beautiful stitching on here. And you can see a little bit of the imperfections. That, again, is natural with this type of deer leather that they got here, and the ORIS logo, and of course the CERVO Volante stamping on there as well. And then the ORIS buckle, very, very nice. I mean, to see this blue in person, it's kind of got this blue gradient, but it's really subtle, and it's really quite stunning. I don't know, this one might be my favorite coloring of the big crown series here. And I just love it. Just feels like a classic. You look at the watch, I mean, it's been around forever, and just the way they have the date that kind of goes around there on the dial, so you can see that the lighter blue right now that's over the 22. That's telling you it's the 22nd of the month. So instead of using the window with the date on it, it's a pretty cool way, old school way of showing you the date, and it just has a lot of character, and I think it really matches the band, the CERVO Volante band, really well. So ORIS is working with them, with these watches, and who knows, in the future we might see some more of these CERVO Volante bands, with other watches and stuff. But this one here, the Big Crown, I think is the perfect first kind of starter watch with this partnership. There you got the blue. Again, the blue is inspired by the Alpine colors, and the blue with the tan band just really killer. And then of course you got the stainless steel band. So this watch is officially the 01754779465-set. And this, of course, is a big crown. And here on my wrist, you can see it. It is a 38 millimeter watch, and the casing, of course, is stainless steel. And my wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist, so you can see it on there. It looks a little bit small on the wrist, but for a dress watch, I really kind of like the size and the feel of it. The band is a little bit shorter, as you can see here on my wrist. I'm kind of near the end here, so if you've got a larger wrist, the strap might not be long enough for you. And I don't know what ORIS is doing, if they have any longer straps for, you know, some bigger guys there with this watch. So look out for that in case you have a bigger wrist. So, you know, maybe go to your ORIS dealer and try one on. This is, of course, an automatic watch. It's automatic winding pointer date, and this, you can see it here in the dark. Even though it's a dress watch, you kind of got that Art Deco feel with the lume on it. So, very cool watch overall. Thank you all for watching the video. It's been fun doing this ORIS. The ORIS has been coming in and out so quickly that I haven't had a chance to do too many videos, but I saw this watch and I knew we had to do this one. Thank you, and have a good one, y'all. Thank you. Bye.